Hi, it's Gail with Traders Help Desk, and this is the market review for August 9th, 2015. And this is what I expect the market to do over the course of the next few days. Over on gold, you can see that we have retraced back to the ATR. I do anticipate if they can clear the 1098 area, I do anticipate it going into these double green lines here, somewhere around 1105. On crude, I do think we'll get a retracement first to 44.30, quite possibly up here to 45. So that's what I'm looking at on crude. On the Dow, I'm expecting a bounce down off of this ATR. Once that bounces down from the ATR, I do think we will go up to about 17,400 or this magenta line here. Over on the NASDAQ, we are starting to retrace. I think we will kind of bounce from this area. And then when it comes back to the ATR, which is probably going to end up being around the 4,500 area, I do think we might see 4,560, maybe even as high as 4,600 this week. It is actually at a congestion dot that is on the higher time frame. So that's why I'm expecting a bigger move in the NASDAQ. Over on the ES, I do think we will bounce down from this ATR that's just typical price movement. And then we may see highs of 2082 this week on the ES. On the euro, I do think we'll retrace back to the ATR. Then if it clears the 1.1010 area, I think we may see the euro go as high as 1200. Now, it does have to clear all of these zones in order to continue up, so you want to make sure that buyers do indeed come into the market. On the British pound, we have had this small bounce down from the ATR. I do think we will hit this double green zone area, which actually coincides with congestion dots previously. So somewhere around 55.30, 55.40. On the Swiss franc, I do think we may bounce up to 1.0300 on the Swiss franc. That's where I'm seeing the potential resistance at. Over on the Canadian, I do think we'll go up to 76.36, maybe 76.50. Then you would need to analyze the volume at those key areas. Over on the Aussie, we have the potential to go up to 7,500. Now, it's got to clear these areas here first. I think the strongest is probably around 74.40. So you want to watch the volume in these areas to make sure it will have enough momentum to continue up.